Hello everyone, welcome to AGH LMS. To attend AGH Level 1 POP training assessment, open aptitudeguruhem.com and log in with your credentials. You will be navigated to this home page. Now go to assessment and you can see college assessment here. Click on technical and all your assessment will be listed here. Please note that the test will only be available for the scheduled timing. So right now it is scheduled for 8:15 p.m. to 8:40 p.m. We still have 1 minute left. It's 8:15 now, so we can start the test. Read all the instruction. Click on Start Quiz. You will be navigated to this page. In left hand side, you can see the question description. In the middle, you have a code editor. You can choose your language here. And you can also customize your font or themes. Once you run your program, the test result will be shown here. In right hand side we have a question panel. So right now we have two questions. So let's try to solve this question. I will choose Java. Now click on run. As you can see, my solution is accepted for first test case. Now click on submit. When we click on submit, the system checks our solution for hidden test cases. So my solution is accepted for all hidden test cases. Now let's go to second question. You can either click on this or you can also go with next button. So I got a warning since only 5 minutes are left, so I have to submit my program. So let's quickly run this and click on submit. So this one is also accepted. Now I have to click on submit. So at the end you will get the result.